So while we're talking about, because we are in heat pumps, aren't we? I know we're on a gas furnace here. Can you open this for me, Selvin? My hand's kind of hurting. Oh yeah, we got something going on. Holy moly.
So right now the class is doing a preventative maintenance check on one of our gas furnaces that actually services part of the school. This is the 156, the heat pumps class. They come up to the roof quite often, at least once every 5 weeks, but we try to make it a point to come up at least twice a year to do preventative maintenance checks on all the units.
And who's the instructor right now?
That is Mr. Ken Hudgens, one of our very knowledgeable instructors, was out in the field for quite a number of years and then has decided to come back and pass on that knowledge that he learned while he was out in the field. Coming back to the refrigeration lab.
Look at this dial right here.
What's going on? This is RHVS 132. This is the heating systems class, and it is part of their tasking to recover and reclaim refrigerant and then go ahead and recharge a system. So we've chosen the reach-in coolers to go ahead and do that process. We have Mr. Harkins, been teaching here right about 12 years. He's taken over this class. Once they get out to the field, this will be a task that they're gonna do every single day. So we're just trying to hone those skills in. Once they get out into the real world, it's just an easy, seamless transition.